It's really odd that by the diagram we have our fuel pump, ground, and then the gray goes up, goes over, up, through the fuse, comes out of the relay, hot at all times, when energized. If I go down to where the relay is, well, of course the relay's not in, I get 5.5 volts-ish. If I go to the fuse, I also get that roughly 5.5 volts. My head says should be ground according to the diagram. They said they didn't put a pigtail on it. They did put a pump in it, but the gauge reads 1/4 of a tank, so I'm not sure that it's wired up wrong, especially if they didn't put a pigtail. Got to find out why I got 5.5 volts. Okay, so I disconnected the ground, this G400, and now I've got nothing and nothing, which would be expected. So clean the ground up, put it back on, and see what I get. Okay, back to this. So I have found the problem. I now have 0 where my relay should be. I have 0 on the fuse. 0 on the fuse because the relay is out. And I had no current earlier, so let's get the scope going. Take the jumper, put it where the relay should be, and I heard the pump come on. So get the scope set up. Got one channel selected. We'll go to dual scope. We'll select amperage. Turn the amp clamp on. 0 the amp clamp. 0 the scope. And connect our amp clamp up to our fused jumper. Take this up. We're running a little on the high side, but we're dead-headed. All I gotta do is under the van, I have ran a jumper to fix this ground from the engine to the chassis. That's the problem.